Hello, very good evening. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can resize an image using a tool called image resizer. Now, it's an amazing, fantastic tool that you can use to resize your image very quickly and very easily without worrying about anything else. It's a small tool in which you can resize any image, whether it's your JPG, PNG, or even your Nikon or Canon's DSLR images in NEF format to a high resolution. Any format can be reduced to a very small image. Image resizer, fantastic tool. I will leave the link down below how you can download it. If you have already not downloaded it yet, do download it. It's an amazing tool that you can use to resize an image. Okay, once you install it, it's a very simple and easy to install setup, very simple file. Then right click on it in Windows 11. Basically, it won't show up in your regular menu. Now that's the trick. Here you have an option called show more options. In this show more options, you just click here and then you will find something called, where is it, resize picture. Now this should not appear here. Once you install this tool, now you will have this image. This tool, if you click on it, here you go. Now it tells you that which size of image you want to resize into. For example, small, medium, large, or a mobile screen size. Okay, so in this case, my image is already quite large and I want to resize it to, for example, a very small, very small size. Okay, you can set it to a custom size as well. And in our case, I just go with the certain preset. Now shrink pictures only means that it needs to shrink the pictures. We don't want to do that for now, or you can do it, depends on what you exactly want to do. Replace the original. Now this is something that I don't leave it on because I want my original to be there just in case, and then ignore picture rotations. That's it. So all you need to do is just select your particular size, click on resize, and that's it. So now you see the small images here, and if the size, you would notice it's just 90 KB, 720 by 980. The previous original picture was 1.8 MB. So any picture you select is now reduced. So if I select this image, this is 1.8 MB with 45,000 resolution, almost 2K. So right click on it, go on show more options. Now again, this is a trick. Remember, you need to click on show more options to get the standard old legacy menu. Click on the resize picture. Now here's my picture available. This time let me just choose a large size. So maybe I just want to reduce the file size, but I don't want to do it too much. So I select this. Once I do that, now click on resize. It will automatically resize it, name it large, and now if you check the file size, it's 434 KB, still pretty good enough with a larger file size. And if I double click on it, my picture still looks pretty damn good, right? So this is a very simple and easy to use tool that you can use to resize any images, whether it's your Nikon NEF images or raw images, or whether your JPG and PNG. Use image resizer. Again, the link is in the description below. Right, so hopefully this tool is useful for you. So if you want to learn more about Windows tips and tricks and such kind of tutorials, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right, so thank you very much for watching. See you around for the next video.